Is this it? Is this it? This went way better than I thought it was gonna go.
Hello everyone, Madeline here once again from Rapid Plus TCT 2024. As you know, in collaboration with SME, we are getting some videos with the exhibitors to learn more about their thoughts on the event. And here, we want to talk to leading software manufacturer, Dendrite. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thanks, it's a pleasure.
Could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi. My name is Dennis Barnum. I am the head of demand generation at Dendrite.
And tell me, when was the first time you learned about 3D printing?
It wasn't until my junior year of college when I started to learn about additive from a manufacturing perspective. We started using it for our capstone project, making an ROV drone, and we figured out that it was a means to an end. So we started using it for production.
And how did you start working in additive manufacturing?
Totally by accident. So I was originally a mechanical engineer in design, and I wasn't super happy, so I started looking for new roles, took a SolidWorks training course, and that company that gave me the course actually was a Stratasys reseller. So I ended up meeting the guys in the 3D print lab, so I went out, printed my resume, handed it in, and 6 weeks later I was an applications engineer.
Incredible.
Yep.
What a journey. So what are the benefits of additive manufacturing?
Yeah, I think the biggest advantage of additive manufacturing is that it helps people save time. So it's life's most precious resource. It helps our engineers innovate faster. And if they can fail and learn and grow, it's all the better.
Is this your first time at Rapid Plus TCT?
Oh, this is not. This is actually my second Rapid. I was back in Chicago with you guys last year.
Could you describe Rapid Plus TCT in one word?
Yeah, if I had to describe Rapid TCT in one word, it would be transformational.
That's a good answer. What is the benefit of events like Rapid Plus TCT for Dendrite?
Rapid's such a big deal for Dendrite because this is one of the opportunities every year that we get a chance to really engage with the 3D printing community and learn what our customers need, what other key players in the industry are doing, and that helps us stay competitive and really get in front of the problems and the value propositions that we need to bring to our customers.
Fantastic. And where do you see the additive manufacturing industry in 20 years and Dendrite as well?
Absolutely. So I think it's going to be hard to figure out, right? So if you rewind 5 years, I don't think any of us would have guessed that we would be here. But we've seen hardware grow, we've seen materials get better over time, and I think the next real push is for software. The software has come a long way in 5 years. I can't even imagine the exponential growth we're going to see with all of the data and explosions that we're seeing with the size of the printers, resolutions. So it's really going to be interesting.
Well, I guess we'll have to wait and see. Thank you once again so much for being with us here today. It was a pleasure.
You're welcome. Thank you.